Celebrate the flower.
We're going to Rainbow Lodge.
Celebrating?
Celebrating Daddy's birthday. Mama,
Andito na ba tayo, Andy?
Here's my...
Andy?
Andy, look at Mama. Andy, look at Mama. Swing.
Wait, Mom, you can hold it and I'm sitting on the You
sige.
can let it go. Put it down. Oh, look at it. And stand up and let it go.
Yay, think kay Mama. Think. Andy. Sandal ka.
Careful, maipit, maipit. Bunk bed. Turn on the lights. Okay.
Where this special come from? Daddy, what's this?
Hand mo, baka naipit ang hand mo. Careful, okay? Go. Go, Andy. Go. Andy. Andy. Go, Andy. Get another one, Andy.
You wait, Andy. Wala pa. Mamaya.
Go, Andy. More.
Galing.
Andy. Andy. Wow.
Nope, window.
Oh, saan ka?
Daddy!
Press it.
Yay! The bird is free.
Back it.
Good job, Andy.
I want my butt to be free.
Oo. Oh, careful ang kamay, ha? Oh.
Papa, be careful.
You can check it out. You want me?
You go first, Andy.
Papa, careful anak, careful. Andy. Be careful, baby. Not too fast, para di ka mauntog.
Nauto ka?
This is a maze.
Andy, dito.
O, saan tayo pupunta?
Andy, dito. You can go pag wala kang reflection, okay? Yeah. You cannot see yourself, you can go there.
Biyak mo siyang ano.
Hi, Mila. I found you.
I think it's in there.
Oh, right.
Let's go. What? Andy's turn. Yay!
Can you see Andy? Hold it, okay?
May nakikita na siya.
I'm holding you. Hold tight, Andy. Hey, Andy. Yes, I'm wearing it. Andy, hold on.
Turn the back knob counterclockwise to loosen the headset. Select
Holding you. I'm holding you. Andy, hey, give. Holding it, okay? Andy!
Kids, grab your family and friends, put your gear ready, and hurry over to the dance floor. Everybody tells me that it's all connected. It's all connected. Everybody tells me that it's going on and feeling. I'm sure believing the dreams that I'm dreaming. I hear it every day. I hear it all the time. I'm never gonna know too much, but they're never gonna change my mind. No. Tell me, say me I don't know. Say me I don't know. Say me I don't know. Tell me, say me I don't know. Say me
Okay, and pump and wave, pump and wave, pump and wave, pump and wave. Pose, 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 pose. 3, 2, 1, quit. Pose, 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 pose. Hands up. Put your hands up. Hands down. Put your hands down. Don't stop. Don't stop. Hands up. Pose, 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 pose. 3, 2, 1, quit. Pose, 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 pose. Hands up, put your hands up. Hands down, put your hands down. Don't stop. Pose, 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 pose. 3, 2, 1, quit. Hands down, put your hands down. Hands up, put your hands up. Hands down, put your hands down. Pose, 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 pose. 3, 2, 1, quit.
You ever feel
Other side.
drifting through the wind, wanting to start
Other side.
again? Do you ever feel this so paper
Other side.
like a house of cards, broken cages?
All right, now
Do
wave.
you ever
Clap,
feel
wave.
very
Clap,
deep,
wave.
6 feet under skin, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta sit
Now
down.
good. Put it down.
And
Hands up.
let it shine down. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're flying away. Come on, show me.
I can't hear you.
You can do as you shoot across the sky.
Let's go.
You are. Come on, let your colors rise.
Make them go.
You're gonna leave it behind now.
Let's go back to the beginning.
You don't have to feel like a waste
Other
of
side.
tears. You're original, cannot be
Other side.
replaced. If you only knew what the future
Other side.
holds after a hurricane comes to rain.
All right, now wave.
The reason
Clap,
why
wave.
doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect world. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to go, you just gotta be
Hands up. Hands down.
and
Hands up.
let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby,
Let's go.
you're wild. Come on, show 'em why you're wild.
Make them go.
As you shoot across the sky. Do you ever feel travel past the
Other side.
drifting through the wind, wanting to start
Other
again?
side.
Do you ever feel this so paper
Other side.
like a house of cards, broken cages?
All right, now
Do
wave.
you ever
Clap,
feel
wave.
very
Clap,
deep,
wave.
6 feet under skin, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta sit
Now
down.
good. Put it down.
And
Hands up.
let
can't hear you.
Make it go. As you shoot across the sky.
Let's go.
You are. Come on, let your colors burst.
Make them go.
You're gonna leave them all
Let's go back to the beginning.
You don't have to feel like the waste
Other side.
Your original cannot be
Other side.
replaced. If you only knew what the future
Other side.
holds after a hurricane comes to rain.
All right, now wave.
The reason why
Clap, wave.
doors are
Clap.
closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect world. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to go, you just gotta go.
Hands up. Hands down.
And
Hands up.
let your light just own the night.
Let's go. Make them go. Make them go. Here we go. Rainbow.
It's always been inside of you, and now it's time to let it go. 'Cause baby, you're mine, you are. Come on, show 'em what you are.
Make them go.
As you shoot across the sky.
Here we go. Make them go. There you go. Clap, 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 clap. Okay, now wave. Wave. Keep on clapping. All right, it's wave. Wave. All right, we'll go like this here. All right, down, down, middle, middle, up, over, down, down, middle, up, over, down, down, middle, up, over. Put your hands up. 3, 2, 1. Push, 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 push. Now wave your hips, wave your hips. Okay, and push, 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 push. Wave your hips, wave your hips. All right, now roll. Snap. Okay, now push, 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 push. Wave your hips, wave your hips. Okay. We're gonna go back to the beginning now. Now clap.
You in my Hall of Fame, middle of the road. Yeah, you my one, my favorite, my ride or die. Yeah,
Now
I'm
wave.
like a fool.
Now wave. Okay. Down, down, middle, up, over. Down, down, middle, up. Put your hands up. 3, 2, 1. Push. Wave your hips. Wave your hips. Okay, and push. Wave your hips. Wave your hips. All right, and roll. Now pull the curve. Pull the curve. Left, right, over. Zombie walk. Zombie walk. Breathe, 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 breathe. Back to your freestyle dance moves. I need to do the best of them.
Moonlights on the rooftops, the wind is at our back. We're living in the shadows, we're living for the chase. Legacy is in our sights.
So let's pick up the pace and clap.
We're on a quest to find the power that's inside of us.
Clap up.
She's the alpha, she's the leader, she's the one to trust.
Now push.
Together we do whatever it takes, we're in this pack for life.
Howl. Let's push. Now pull the curve. Pull the curve. Left, right, over. Zombie walk.
We own what we own.
Breathe.
The night is our home. We own what we own.
What are we? All right, let's push. Now pull.
Do you guys know what that means? Next is downward facing dog. Exactly. Wiley the Wolf believes that if you get up early each morning and get going right away, there are many opportunities to have fun and happy fulfilled days. Next is our tree pose. One of Wiley the Wolf's favorite things to do when he wakes up in the morning is to go on a wolf walk in the forest. Next is our extended mountain. Oftentimes he sets off on his wolf walk so early that the moon is still out, but dawn is quickly filling the morning sky with beautiful rays of yellow sun. Next up is sun salutation. Wiley thinks sunrises around the lodge are some of the best he's ever seen. He always takes a moment to say hello to the sun before starting his walk. Next is tree pose. Afterwards, he likes to walk under the flutter their wings to find a sweet flower to rest on. Next is your eagle pose. And if it isn't too cloudy out, Riley is lucky that when he finds a magnificent eagle reach high up in the tree. Next is your happy baby pose. Sometimes Riley would run into Oliver Raccoon, who likes to get out early too. Oliver would often take young Grizzly Bear for a morning walk, but only if he wakes up early enough. The last stop of his walk is always at the water park. Wiley likes to check on the rides to make sure everything is working safely for his friends. Next up is standing forward bend. He'll climb to the top of Fort McKenzie to make sure that the waterfall from the giant bucket is working. You'll see how fast he can race down the towers. And lastly, he will swim out into the last tail pop.
Let's go.
Next is our tree pose.
Nandun si Daddy.
Once he's done checking on the water park, he hurries back through the forest to the lodge where he has a healthy breakfast with his great wolf friend. After he decorates wolf ears with violet, they'll all young Grizzly Bear for a morning walk, but only if he wakes up early enough.
So what is called? Bear and the wolf.
Very
Daddy,
nice.
I use my pointer because look how dirty is this.
It's so dirty.
Daddy, look how dirty is that.
Oh, oo. Ang daming dust. Alikabok?
That's why I'm using my point.
Okay. Can you repeat the song, please?
No!
Sige na. Pero mabibideo ko again. Bilis, sige.
This is my first time doing this.
Okay, sige, sige.
My first time song.
Okay, go.
Do you know what this called? It's a bear. Do you know what this called? Antelope. Do you know what this called? This is a wolf. Do you know what this? Bear and moose and a wolf. Do you know it now? Yes, I do. Bear and antelope wolf. Do you know it now? Bear and antelope wolf. Do you know what is now? Antelope. Bear, antelope. Wolf.
Galing! Ikaw lang first time mo lang yon?
Wait
First
a
time
second.
doing it?
Wait a second. A wolf made something. A wolf made something.
Oy, ear. No. Huwag ka akitan din. Baka malaglag ka.
Look at it.
Dirty. Madudumi yung headband mo. Yan.
Daddy,
Ang ganda mo naman, anak. Uy, sus. Suot mo.
I want to go. I want with my swimming suit.
Andiyan si mama. Ayusin natin. No running. Good job, Andy. No running, okay? All in line.
Andy, come here. Andy, come here. You okay, Andy? Dito ka sa gitna, Andy. Andy, cheer, Daddy. Cheer. Woohoo!
Welcome. Oh, thank you. Andy. Iris naman. Andy.
Itapat mo lang, Andy. Yun.
Andy, layo. Tapat mo lang ganun. Yan.
I'm sorry, Magi, but you're not ready to open this chest yet.
I'm ready. We're going home.
Nice day.
Dad, I want to see that one.
Andy, say mo bye, Grateful Fudge.
This is so big.
Say mo, Andy, thank you.
Thank you. This is so big, Dad.
Andy, are you happy? I know.
This is so big building.
So,
It looks like an apartment.
yes, very nice.
Then I couldn't jump.
Andy. Andy, may jet to.